I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake without an oven and egg. First, let's explore the oven-free baking methods. You can achieve a perfectly baked cake using a stovetop or even a microwave. For stovetop baking, a heavy-bottomed pot or pressure cooker is ideal. Just make sure your cake pan fits comfortably inside, allowing for even heat distribution. This method is surprisingly simple and yields fantastic results. Next, let's tackle the egg-free aspect of our cake. There are several excellent substitutes that work wonders. Mashed ripe banana is a fantastic option, replacing one egg and adding a lovely flavor. Applesauce also works beautifully. Use 1/4 cup for each egg. Another popular choice is a flax egg, made by mixing 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal with 3 tablespoons of water. These alternatives ensure your cake holds together perfectly. Now let's gather our essential ingredients and discuss mixing. You'll need standard items like all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. For liquids, milk, whether dairy or a non-dairy alternative, and a neutral oil or melted butter are perfect. Remember to sift your dry ingredients together first. This helps create a light and airy cake. Then, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined, avoiding overmixing. Finally, it's time to bake and add those finishing touches. Preheat your stovetop setup for about 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Carefully place your cake pan inside and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let your cake cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before adding any frosting or glaze. Simple decorations like a dusting of powdered sugar or fresh fruit are delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.